How to fix Snapchat filter lag. So if you open up your Snapchat application, and after opening your Snapchat, now if you try to load the filters, then if you're not being able to have the filters or if they are lagging, then what you need to do is simply go to your profile, which is on the upper left, and then go for settings, which is on the upper right, and then scroll down, and here under your account actions you will have clear cache option. Tap on clear cache and again tap on clear cache, and after that your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, now you can simply remove that, and then you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and go for the search bar and search for Snapchat. Once you've searched, here you will have your application. So under your application, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you need to simply update your application. And once you update your application, your problem will be fixed. And after doing that, you need to open up your settings and then scroll down, go for apps and open up your Snapchat on your settings. And here you will have storage and cache option. Tap on that and then go for clear cache. And after clearing your cache, now your problem might be fixed. And the last thing that you need to do is simply restart your device. After updating and after clearing your cache, you need to restart your device by simply holding on to that power button. And here you will have restart option. Simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your Snapchat filter lag. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.